welcome back to my channel. So you read the title, you know what's about to be in this video, but plot twist because your girl doesn't know. Long story short, I like to pre-film, and last week I found out that I am allergic to one of my favorite hair products, so that video didn't work out so well. So I was getting a little stressed out, and you know, when you're stressed sometimes, desperation, you really come up with creative ideas. So I wrote down a couple of video ideas, 1 to 7. I'm gonna ask Alexa and she's gonna let me know. Oh, okay. For reference, I'm going to be recreating this look. That's pretty much what I'm going off of, so let's jump right in. Okay, so I'm starting off on clean hair. I did apply my leave-in conditioner in the shower. This is the one that I use. Honestly, shout out to Camille because look how defined it got my coils looking already. And that's just leave-in alone, baby. Oh, it's so soft. I love to do that. So we're gonna finish up by moisturizing quickly. I'm going in with my favorite oil. This is from Melanin Haircare. And I'm going in with one of my favorite creams. This is from TreLuxe. My hair is not that wet. It's like slightly damp. The moisture has been kept in from the plastic cap that I had on out of the shower. So now we're gonna detangle with a wide tooth comb. It's super important to detangle your hair before applying gel if you want to slick it down, because when you comb it out, it does slightly unspiral the coils, and also because it's detangled, when you're applying the gel, it won't like clump up together or get kind of humpy lumpy, you know what I'm saying? So if you want your hair to get really slick, I prefer to use edge control over my whole hair. You may or may not know that this is my favorite edge control, but of course this is the product that I'm now allergic to the smell of. So I got Style Factor's Edge Booster Gel, so that is what we're going to be using today for this look. I did try out this gel before filming, and I'm not impressed. So it comes with a lid like this and a little spoon, and this lid is really annoying to get off. So I'm going to start in the back of my hair. With sleeking down kinky hair, the #1 tip is to work in small sections. Smaller than you want to, smaller than you think. Putting a little bit of water on my comb to glide through easier. Grab some, and be generous. We're trying to get it slick. So I have some on my comb now, and I am going to just apply that and comb it through and kind of press it down with my finger. Look how long my hair is getting. Time to cut it. So I'm also going in with my hard bristle brush to smooth that down. And that's how it's looking in the back so far. See, when you comb through with the gel, it helps it to lay down flatter as well. But with this gel, I was really expecting much more of an intense hold. And it's not, like you see how it's kind of curling right back up. That's not what I wanted. What? Okay, I'm feeling like I need to go in with some Eco on top. This is what I'm saying, like you see how it's just curling right back up? That's not what we want. Yes, I had to go in and get my tub of Eco. Hopefully this will help. Grab some Eco on a brush. We'll keep using the Style Factor because this was too expensive to not use. So I'm gonna grab some on this comb because the other comb was just hurting my head a little too much. Yo, this is like not it. And for the price, no way I should have to go in with another gel on top to get it to slick down, you know? That piece slicked down though. Ugh, I could feel like all that buildup at the end, but at least it's slicking down now. So I'm going to keep going over on top of it with some Eco to lock it in. So I'm going to keep using the Style Factor as the foundation. You could just use Eco, but you know, I'm trying to give Style Factor a shot. You know, it's for the kinky coily girlies. and this gel is not it. Is there a particular reason why I start in the back and sides and then do the front, you might ask? Yes. I like to get the, you know, the base out the way and then focus on the front. Also, when you go in small sections, like, you can't really tell with my hair because it's so short. So let's say that these are like 2 patches of hair, right? Like here and here. When you slick down this part first, then you have this part can go on top of it, so it slicks straight back, you know what I mean? Whereas if you slick this and then it's longer, like, you're gonna have curlier bits underneath because you didn't slick down this part first. Ooh, behind the ears, you see they're trying to sneak up on me. Get back. So now for the rest of this, I think I'm done with the style factor because let's be honest, it really wasn't pulling this weight anyway. So now I'm just using Eco mainly to make sure that this is sleek. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of edge control actually over my hair just to help it kind of stay sleek. So I only have about this much to start out. Edge control is the GOAT for kinky hair, man. So I'm going to go in with some of these wrap styling strips before I start my edges to just start to lay down the back. Okay, so we have that going. Now let's get into the fun part! So I'm looking at the reference photo and sis got some really cute edges. She's doing the whole swirly thing. I'm gonna go in with my handy dandy edge brush, my favorite. This is from Baby Tress. They are a black owned, I believe the owners, it's 2 black women and 1 Asian woman. So they're a person of color. They're a woman of color owned business, and I love to support that.
I used to take myself out on dates. Open my own damn door, everything.
Okay, who is she?
Sometimes I'd even get the steak. Cause I got it like that. Always had my own bag, never needed no man to rely on. Got 2 good shoulders to cry on. I was alright on my own till I fell, but it wasn't fate.
I love this edge control, but you don't want it to like get too thick in one spot, because I have noticed that when it dries, it's gonna have like product buildup right there, so you don't want that.
See everything and stay. That I wasn't afraid to say, yeah. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me.
I like to bring this bit on the side out a little bit, like angle it more towards the front than straight down, so I think it's just kind of cool. I like the way that it looks and kind of shapes the head. That is a thick piece of edge. Anyway, yeah, that's a lot of hair I grabbed.
I gave you all that you asked of me. You like the view from behind, but you won't make an ass of me. That's why I'm saying goodbye.
You can see the difference in using edge control. I mean, of course, this area is thinner, but versus using gel, like just how much smoother the edge control gets it to lay down.
I have it. You forgot, but I have it. You was just a no habit, so I'ma disappear like magic. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot, but I have it. Now you wish that you had it, but all I gotta say back is, if I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. No, I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I was yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better. I like me better, I like me better when I was yours.
Like, why not? Why not, right? And I don't mind like some little coils like that. It adds character. So now I'm just going back in with a bit of that same edge control over my whole hair. So I'm back. It has been some time since I first laid this all down. Let's just cut through. So this is the final look. As you can see, the gel gave us wavy waves. It's just this piece. I'm like so tempted to just cut it because I don't care. So I actually thought this also looked really cute when I had the wrapping strips on it. So I think it would look cute with a black scarf. So that's just really simple. I kind of did it like a ponytail. I think that looks really cute too. That looks really cute. Okay, just giving y'all some options, just throwing that out there. You can always like wrap it up in a bun. So this is cute. What? Listen, I mean, I popped off with the edges. I was showing out a little bit, you know, that it's a Leo thing, you know how we do. So yeah, just some fun edges. There's a lot of different and easy ways to switch up your TWA. Hey. When I go to sleep, I will probably reuse the wrapping styling strips that I was using before and put like a scarf over as well, just to preserve the style, and it should last a few days. I am going to take a little bit of the Freeze Blast spray. That was just an extra step. You do not need to do that at all. But this is the finished results. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And let me know. I know this wasn't really a random video for you guys, but it was kind of random for me. So let me know if you enjoyed that. If you want me to kind of incorporate that more into my channel, I can make it a bit more fun and maybe interactive. I don't know. I'll brainstorm about it. But definitely let me know if you enjoyed that. Let me know also if you have any video suggestions. If they're cool, I'd love to hear. I'm always down. But thank you guys so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.